Okay. A truck leaves a depot at a port in the city centre. Every 15 minutes, the tachograph records the speed shown below. Calculate the distance travelled. So that's the area of the graph. Okay, let's have a look here. Time, but in hours, and the velocity, or the speed, but we'll just assume the truck is heading forwards and not making any sort of reverse maneuvers. Kilometers per hour. Okay, so we are going up in 15 minutes, so we're going up in quarter hours. So 0, this is a quarter of an hour, half an hour, 3/4, an hour, quarter, half, 3/4, an hour, hour and a quarter, hour and a half, hour and 3/4, 2 hours, 2 1/4 hours, and the speed goes as high as 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And this is quarter, half, 3/4, 1 hour there, 2 hours there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. Starts at rest, heads up to 25, then goes and heads up a little bit more to 30, then on to 50, then on to 60, then on to 80, then on to 100, still at 100, and 50, and then 0 at the end then. Okay, so let's get the area here. We have triangle. Now this one here is a rectangle and a little triangle. This one here, a rectangle and a triangle. This one here, rectangle and a triangle. This one here, rectangle and a triangle, rectangle and a triangle, rectangle. Now my graph's not perfect, so I don't know that this is necessarily in a perfectly straight line. It could actually be 2 triangles. So just to be safe, make sure I get the right answer. I'll say a rectangle and a triangle and a triangle then. So let's just put it all in the calculator and add it up. Okay. So we'll go up to here. Alright, so let's do the first triangle. A half base. We'll do the unit in hours by the height. Okay, so half the base by the height is the first one, and we'll add up all the rectangles. Base by height plus base by height plus base by height plus base by height plus base by height. Then we have 4 triangles. Half the base by the height plus 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 half the base by the height. Okay, I hope that's right. If you know it's a mistake, please comment. Okay, two rectangles plus base by height plus base by height, then the two triangles, plus half the base by the height plus half the base by the height. 123.75, and the units. So we had the area will be in units of hours by kilometers per hour. So that's going to be in kilometers, and I want it in meters. So just multiplying by 1,000. 123,750,000. Yeah, okay. 12.3 million meters. Now, there's a very, very, very good chance that as I was typing all of that in, I mistyped something, since I was concentrating on both the graph and typing at the same time. So, if you spotted a mistake, please let me know. Thank you.